To our distinguished guest speaker, Patrolman Knudsen S. Pagera, Schools Division Superintendent, District Supervisor, Municipal and Barangay officials, School Principal, Alumni and SPTA officials, parents, teachers, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Graduation is a time to reflect on the glory of yesterday, appreciate the unfolding of events today, and anticipate a brighter and better tomorrow. Our yesterday, embodied by the past events, may seem fleeting as we only experienced them moments ago. We may think that our studies are done, but we are yet to face another set of challenges as we take another rung in the educational ladder, which is high school. As we march out into a broader world and leave elementary school and take with us meaningful memories, we must realize that our graduation is not the end, but another beginning. As we begin to accept this, we are presented with new choices and thousands of possibilities of who we will be and what we can become in the future. Most of us are already brainstorm possible choices in the future. We dream of the pleasant things and the great things we can achieve. However, let us not forget to savor the few moments we have today. I believe that every graduation serves as a sanctuary of optimism and hope. Earning our diploma is just the beginning of new and exciting adventures as we step into a new stage of life. I am confident that Mateo Piabao Central Elementary School, our second home, has equipped us with the armor and shield as we trudge in the arena of life. Wherever we may be in the future, we will always take pride in being graduates of the school. To our parents, especially to my mommy and daddy, I am grateful and my heart is overflowing with happiness and love, for I would never be here without you. Your love, support, and understanding are my inspirations. And let us all take the time to thank our Heavenly Father for bringing us here together. Thank you, and once again, good morning.
Graduates, please stand. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of class 2025-2026, pledge to love God as our Creator, learn His commandments, and practice His spirit, honor, respect our parents, elders, teachers, and duly constituted authorities, obey the laws, and uphold the democratic principles of life, to grow in character and ability, as one goes physically, to be honest with ourselves and with others in all thoughts, words, and deeds. Develop high moral principles and the courage to live by them. We strive for a healthy body, mind, and spirit. Respect the rights of others and set good examples. So that others will emulate and profit by them. Regard education as the fulfillment of our goals and values in life, and to preserve, strengthen, Uphold always world peace and brotherhood of men. So help me God.